Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's all look at the lead code question. The description of the question is as follows: that we were given head of a linked list in which each node contains an integer value, and between every pair of adjacent nodes we need to insert a new node that contains the GCD value of both the adjacent nodes. So the greatest common divisor of two numbers is defined as the largest possible integer that evenly divides both numbers. So I'll just write my plans. So what do you mean by greatest common divisor? As it specifies, this is the greatest number which is factor of both the current number or of both the numbers. I'll just call it both the numbers. We need to add the GCD value between the two given nodes. So this is what question specifies. These are the node points. So for happening or for achieving this, let me just help you understanding what example problem looks like. Given example problem is 18, 6, 10, 3. So 18 and 6 are adjacent nodes, and the GCD of 18, 6 is 6 because 6 is the largest common factor among 18 and 6. So it would be 18, 6, 6. And for 6 and 10 the common factor is 2. So it would be 2, 10, and for 10 and 3 the common factor is 1. It should be 1 and 3. So you could just see between 18 and 6 we inserted 6, between 6 and 10 we inserted 2, and between 10 and 3 we inserted 1. So how this works is, I'll just call if head or if negation of head, in the sense that head is equals to null or head is having only one node. In that case I'll just return the head value. Got the point what I'm trying to say? So after this what we'll do is list node prev node. Prev node would be my head, and list node cur node would be head dot next. So I'll just call while cur node will be cur node next, and my prev node would be cur node. Got it what I'm trying to do here? I'm just taking two pointers. So over the first point, prev node would be this, cur node would be this. In the second iteration, prev node will be current node, so prev node would be here, cur node would be pointing to cur node dot next, so cur node would be this. So that's how this works. I'll also call GCD. I'll just call divisor is equals to GCD of prev node val and cur node val. So that will give me GCD, and what I'll do is prev node dot next, my previous node dot next should be equals to new node of divisor, right? Because I need to insert or I'll just call it new node only, list node new node is equals to new list node divisor. So as given per the constructor, what new list node will be doing is, it will be giving you value x, and next would be null point, it would be pointing to null. So I just created a new node in the sense that 18, 6 are as it is, and with 6 there's another node created. So what I need to do is prev node dot next should be pointing to the new node. So what I am doing is, this would be broken and this would be adding an other next pointer, where the next this would be pointing, this would be cutting out, and our prev node would be pointing to the new node, and new node dot next would be cur node. So that should work fine. I'll just list node temp head, list node answer head. I as we will be playing with head pointer, so I'll just store head pointer initially in an answer node, and I'll just return answer head. This should work fine. Let me just try submitting this out. Yes, it's working fine. For specifying my C++ compiler not to import any libraries from C, that will be helping me to input and output anything to the terminal. So I'll just specify cin.tie, do not tie anything input to the terminal, because I'm not inputting anything. I'm just taking function arguments or function parameters, and I'm also not outputting, I'm just returning through the function. So I do not need these values. I'll simply return my answer. Everything is working as expected. Feel free to add anything in the comment section if you think anything is unclear. Thank you for watching the video.